The importance of good habit lies in the fact that if you practice good habits, it will take form of your character and vice versa. Habits become part of our nature. We should include good habits in our life. Students, myself Rekha from Apple International School. Today we will talk about good manners. Good manners hold great importance in a person's life. In order to become successful in life, one should always take care how he interacts. Various businessmen and successful people are achieving heights. This is because of their good manners. A student should respect his teachers and seniors. Furthermore, he should listen to what the teacher is saying because they are his mentors. Moreover, the student should be well behaved and hygienic. A student should always carry a hanky in order to maintain hygiene. They should be punctual so that he may not waste others' time, and they should never take others' things without permission. Students should not push each other while standing in a queue. Students should use polite words while talking like please, sorry, thank you, etc. So, most of our activities follow a set pattern, a well-marked groove. Habits set their pattern from this groove. Hence, if we have acquired useful habits, it means a great economy of energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.